Okay, so here we have a C standard Pascal's triangle expansion. I've got the Pascal's triangle over on the side here, just expanded up to the fourth line, where we have the 3, because that means that's the line that we need for expanding a power of 3. Okay, so remember, these numbers here represent the starting coefficients in the expansion. So if I take x minus 2 cubed, and then I expand it. So first of all, I write the first coefficient. You don't have to write this in, but I will, which is 1. Then I take the first term, which is simply x, and I'm going to raise it to the power of 3. Then, because I've got a subtraction in the middle, that means I have to take away the next term, and then add the next term, and then take away, so it alternates. I write the next coefficient down, so I'm writing this coefficient down now, 3. I write down the first term, x, but this time I reduce the power by 1, so it's squared, and then I write the second term down, which is 2, and I'll put it in brackets, and then we ascend the power, so it was 0 here, and now it's 2 to the power of 1 here, which we just write down as 2. That was a takeaway, so now we add, and we write the next starting coefficient, which is 3. We write the first term, which is x. We reduce the power by 1, so it's x to the power of 1, which we don't write the 1 down. Then we take the second term, which is 2, and we raise it to the next highest power, which is squared. Then we write, it's a subtraction again, so we put take away. We write down the last coefficient, which is 1, which you don't really have to write down, but I have anyway. And then I write, well, we don't write the first term down now because we've run out of powers there. So 3, 2, 1, 0, so we don't write it down. And then I write the last term, which goes to the power of 3. Also, just note that in every single case, if I look at the powers and I add them up, they always add up to 3. So here we've got a 3. Here we've got 2 plus a 1 I haven't written in. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here we have 1. Here we have 2. 1 and 2 is 3. And here we have 3 as well. Okay, next line I'm simply going to simplify that. So 1 times x cubed is just x cubed. 3 times 2 is 6, so I've got minus 6x squared plus. Now it's great if you can do this in your head. If you can't, you might have to use an extra line. But I look at this here, 2 squared, that's 4. 4 times 3 is 12, so it's 12x. And then minus 1 times 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8, so we've got minus 8. So the expansion of x minus 2 all to the power of 3 is x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 8.